Alright, let's talk about chicken soup, because this is where traditional wisdom actually meets scientific validation, and that doesn't happen as often as you might think in nutrition. Your grandmother was right about chicken soup helping with flu, but probably not for the reasons she thought. This isn't just about warmth and comfort, though those matter. There's actual biochemistry happening here. Dr. Stephen Renard published research showing that chicken soup has genuine anti-inflammatory properties. Specifically, it reduces neutrophil migration, which means it dampens the inflammatory response that's causing many of your symptoms. Let me break down what's actually beneficial in chicken soup. The chicken itself provides easily digestible protein, which your immune system needs for antibody production. More interesting is that chicken contains an amino acid called cysteine, which chemically resembles a drug called acetylcysteine that's used as a mucolytic, meaning it thins mucus. So when people say chicken soup helps clear congestion, there's a molecular basis for that claim. The vegetables contribute vitamins and minerals your immune system needs. The warm broth increases nasal mucus flow, which actually helps clear congestion rather than creating more of it. And the salt content, often criticized in other contexts, actually supports fluid retention during illness when you're losing fluids rapidly through fever and sweating. Now, there's a real difference between homemade and commercial chicken soup. Homemade is generally more nutritious because you control what goes in it and can maximize beneficial ingredients. Bone broth, which has become trendy, provides additional collagen and minerals extracted from the bones during long cooking. The variety of vegetables you include increases the diversity of phytonutrients you're getting. Let me give you an evidence-based recipe approach. Use a whole chicken for the complete amino acid profile. Add onions and garlic, which contain immune-supporting compounds. Allicin in garlic particularly has antimicrobial properties. Include root vegetables like carrots and parsnips for beta-carotene. Throw in herbs like parsley and thyme, which have their own anti-inflammatory properties. This isn't just cooking, this is therapeutic nutrition. What's fascinating is that cultures worldwide have arrived at similar remedies independently. Vietnamese pho, Jewish penicillin, Korean samgyetang, they all share these beneficial components. That kind of convergent evolution in folk medicine usually indicates there's something real happening, but let's be clear about limitations, because this is important. Chicken soup is not sufficient treatment for severe flu. It's part of a comprehensive nutritional approach, not a standalone cure. If you have high-risk features, if you're elderly, pregnant, immunocompromised, or have chronic lung disease, chicken soup doesn't replace medical evaluation and potentially antiviral medication. There's also a question of when home remedies should give way to medical intervention. If your fever is extremely high, if you're having difficulty breathing, if you're severely dehydrated despite attempts to drink fluids, these situations require professional medical care, not another bowl of soup. The scientific validation of chicken soup is satisfying because it respects traditional knowledge while understanding the mechanisms. It's not magic, it's nutrients and bioactive compounds working together to support your immune system and ease symptoms. But it's also a reminder that while Grandma might have been right about the what, modern science helps us understand the why and recognize the limits. Chicken soup is excellent supportive care, but it's not a cure-all, and knowing the difference can literally be life-saving.